All right, Charlie, thank you. 6:48, about to click over to 6:49, and it is windy out there this morning. The wind, the cloud cover have kept our temperatures really mild as well. We're up to 54 now. KCI, camera bouncing around a whole lot. Winds are sustained 23 miles per hour, but gusting in a lot higher than that. 40 miles per hour Lee Summit, 37 miles per hour in Platte County, 26 miles per hour in Olathe. It is strong for all of us from Kansas to Missouri, and that will likely be the case for the early part of the morning. By the afternoon, though, our wind should slowly start to relax, start to diminish a little bit more as this cold front is approaching and slides through. So our winds will eventually flip from the southwest to the west-northwest as this boundary slides through Kansas City. We're going to notice a mostly cloudy sky, a couple rain showers, maybe some mist or drizzle possible at times later this morning and in the afternoon, but it looks like behind the front is some clearing, so a lot more sunshine found in northwest Missouri, northeast Kansas. So rain showers will continue for a few of us southeast of Kansas City into the evening and overnight. Some of these rain showers may also contain some lightning and thunder, so can't rule out thunderstorms at times this evening. Friday morning, light rain possible. We might get some mist and drizzle here Friday morning, and then here comes the very heavy rainfall, which has warranted some flash flood watches for those southeast of the city, not necessarily containing the counties around the 435 loop, but does contain our counties southeast and on the Missouri side, where regions could pick up 1 to 3 inches of rain. Quite a dynamic storm where our temperatures will stay above freezing for a good part of the day on Friday. So by noon on Friday, here comes that wave of rain, heavy in that area that I just showed you with the flash flood watches. And then to the northwest is that changeover. We have freezing rain that will likely ice over things pretty rapidly as soon as the sun goes down. 7 p.m. on Friday, a large window, a large area experiencing some of this ice, freezing rain and sleet possible. It's going to be a tough one to travel around the area on Friday. Then the main system, the main part of the storm actually lifts over Kansas City. So that's been the difference between the computer model runs this morning compared to yesterday morning. Things are turning a little stronger and moving overhead, which means heavy snowfall and snowfall rates between 1 to 2 inches an hour, and that will add up pretty quickly as this is a dry and fluffy snow. Now I want to give you a snowfall forecast comparison. We look at several computer models, but the ones that we really like to compare is the European model and the American model. This is the European model and has the bullseye of the heaviest snow right over Kansas City. 5 to 7 or even higher amounts of snow, especially along the I-35 corridor on the Kansas side. But look at the American model. This is where we have the bullseye of the heaviest snow south and east. So Kansas City seems to be right on that fringe of heavy snow. I still would anticipate significant amounts of snow and potentially some issues out there on Saturday. I would stay hunkered down and plan to be inside on Saturday. Temperatures are cold, only at 23. Tough to treat in those conditions, so keep that in mind. Also keep in mind ice is going to be below that snow. 33 though on Sunday. It'll be bright for the Chiefs game.